Hi, I'm Matt from the Raspberry Pi Foundation's Digital Making at Home program. I'm at my home in California, and I want to say welcome to all of you no matter where you are in the world. This week's theme is a complete joke. I mean it. We want you to make us laugh. Whether you have a silly story or a comical character, we want you to send us what you're working on and put us in stitches. To help you along the way, we've got some coders who will cackle along with you. For beginners, Mr. C and his sidekick Zach will show you how to use Scratch and your webcam to create some funny filters. If you're looking for more of a challenge and you have some extra hardware, Christina will show you how to use a Raspberry Pi computer with Scratch and some LEDs to make a unicorn dance. And for the more advanced coders, Mark will show you how to use HTML and CSS to build your own meme generator. I love that project. No matter what you create along the theme of humor, we want to see it, so send it to us at rpf.io/home.